Welcome to Digital Tamilvendan channel. Yeah, today we are going to discuss about engineering for 12th standard students going to choose engineering technology. If you have any doubts, we'll clear today's discussion. Yeah, the qualification criteria and salary and fees details for engineering. The age limit need to complete 12th standard. So 17 to 22 years of age limit. And then in course completion, course duration is 4 years. And minimum percentage, 50 to 60 percentage of minimum mark at 12th percentage is required. So salary it can varies from our own interest and learning. Some of the parameters are there. It is vary from 5 lakhs to 2 crore. The many departments in engineering, we will go one by one. So first I choose electronics and communication. That electronics and communications deals with electronic devices like laptops, smart TV, cell phone, smartphone design, and satellite design, and then cell phone networks have data and video, and then audio. Uh, the technologies evolved to transfer the data to the remote remote area. So opportunities in electronics and communications, it is required in railway department, airways, and in learning, it is communications required between the pilots and airport persons, airport supervisor or some persons. They will maintain some communication protocols in between the aircraft and airplanes, and the airplanes comes from different countries. So there is the communications is needed. If communication is mismatched, like Nokia, Siemens, HP, and service provider like Cisco, Juniper. These are the companies we have the opportunity to work as a engineer, electronics and design engineer. So the communication is very useful in pandemic situation or disaster management. It helps to communicate the people what exactly happened in the remote places. So that satellite images is very helpful to weather forecast and war zone. The maps it is very helpful people to identify the best path. Um, so people need not to wait nowadays to reach the people easily. So electronics is communication is a major engineering domain. Engineering domain you can choose that. Then next, yeah, computer engineering. The computer engineering is always wonderful platform. The people always earning high paid job in high paid job in computer engineering. Software developers are getting paid higher nowadays. In that you need to learn about operating system software for systems and software language like C, C++, Java, Python. You can opportunities MNCs like HCL, TCS, Capgemini. You can get high paid jobs in the software legends, Apple, Microsoft, Google companies. As an entrepreneur, you can start a software development company where you can design a game and like app like Ola, Uber, that app, and you can sell it to your customer. Software training also you can provide to equip the students to get the job. It is important and profitable business in the world market. The software is a profitable business where, yeah, digital Tamil Vindan channel is peculiar for embedded Linux programming. It is help to understand the software software for bridges and switches. Mm, uh, so we are providing the training to students. We can equip the uh, people people who are finding jobs. We will arrange also. We will arrange a job and we will provide the training also. The next, artificial intelligence and engineering. It is in research now. Anyway, many field the robotics are started working. Artificial intelligence is human human intelligence is implemented in the machine. The machine will learn and to act as a human. The man will be replaced by the robots. Robot can play the footballs nowadays. And then military domain, people can be killed by the other military or terrorism. And so robotics can help to protect the protect the it can employ in military. Mm, and robot can be used to underwater research, seawater, under seawater. The man cannot able to uh, it cannot the way to enter into the sea. That yeah, robotics can send, right? So space also robot can be uh, the face recognition. Uh, the face recognition is used to identify the person, so by capturing the face pictures. The automatic car parking. The automatic car parking nowadays designed by artificial intelligence. Then automatic supervision in manufacturing units, the space and atomic research. Atomic research, it is very dangerous to work with humans. So that robot can work in atomic research. The company's opportunities. mm, NASA, DRDO, SpaceX. So, artificial intelligence, it is a valuable engineering department also. Biomedical electronics, it deals with medical devices. You will learn about medical devices for humans. First, you need to understand the anatomy physiology, and according to the human, you need to diagnose the any disease. You need to find out the vital information, the capturing devices and CT, MRI, that brain stroke or a heart stroke. We need to it is used to diagnosis to minimize the surgery. We need not to operate full parts, right? So you can capture by capsule. So capsule can diagnosis where the exact problems and all. in the biomedical electronics, you need to study about the radiology kind of things also involved in biomedical, and how the wasted biomedical waste can be um, managed. So these are the things you are going to cover in biomedical electronics. Opportunities. We can work in hospitals, medical device manufacturing companies, and clinical labs. So on GE, Philips, many companies are nowadays designing medical devices. So these are also having a career opportunity in biomedical electronics as an entrepreneur. You can sales and service the medical devices to the hospitals and clinics and labs like CTMRI. It is a crores value of machines. You can it's a sales commission itself. You can get that. You can earn it in lakhs. So it is a very valuable course, but this course are it is not available in all engineering colleges. It is a very suitable colleges having the provision uh, to study the biomedical electronics. Mechanical engineering is mm, ever field ever field that in engineering. Here you need to learn about car designs and bike designs and the manufacturing units. So you can get the jobs in car company like BMW, Skoda, Benz, and Mahindra, Tata Motors, Honda, Ford. So many companies. There is a mechanical oriented companies you can join your career, and as an entrepreneur you can make a dealership with the cars. So it is also revenue high revenue uh, engineering department. And civil engineering, it is always have the scope in engineering. You need to understand about the building construction, how the buildings are building architects are there for bridges and planning for the bridges, pipeline. So everything covers as civil engineers, designing a smart cities. And before building any industry or any hospital, civil engineers requirements are there. So jobs availability also available. Many jobs available, job opportunities there. That companies like L&T, Atkins, Rampol, and real estate companies and construction companies. So you can join and make a revenue. Next is chemical engineering. It's a bit difficult engineering department. It is involved in chemistry and maths, so you need to be very good in chemistry. So chemicals are everywhere, from the soap to formalin, and then food industry like milk product um, and that paint. Yeah, it's the dresses colors, and cements, gas, and oil, etc. In everywhere, it's chemical. So engineering also with the changing the futures and make it easy our life. And then other engineering departments, electrical engineering. It is a power, batteries and the transformers, the power generation like solar systems, wind. So electricity is nowadays very essential for. Without electricity, we are not living. So we are depends on fridge, and then um, um, fans. So powers are required. Motors. waters are coming from the groundwaters, and I'm picking up the water from using motors. So electrical wiring. So connecting the engineers are comes on wherever the engineer electrical are there, engineers at the opportunities are available. And top colleges, you need to choose your good colleges for good career engineers. IIT people are getting salary in crores. They are placed in Google. uh, very selective peoples are chosen by the Google and all. So you need to choose the select a good college to get into the good career opportunities. All Not all colleges are having the placement records, good placement records. Check with that website and what is the exact placement. You need to read newspapers to know about review. And then Google review also helpful to know about the college's infrastructures and lab infrastructures and professors. Uh, these are the way you need to choose the colleges. And ranking. So top ranked colleges, you need to, if you are entering into the top ranking colleges, you will get a well paid jobs. You have the opportunities, lots of opportunities there. Yeah. We are Thanks for subscribing our channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you're not subscribed our channel, please subscribe to know more about technologies and career programs.